Okay, so we're doing a little cold start on the old tractor. Got a little snow last night, not much. It's cold as fucking shit out. Look, you can tell. So we're gonna do a little cold start on the old Craftsman. Alright, let's go. I gotta sit on that too.
You gotta do the choose pipe choose.
Alright, well hold on. Make sure this thing's in neutral. Holy fuck, it's cold out. Jesus Christ, you're gonna shock the shit out of you. Alright, you mess with the throttle. Get the pipe in this one. New exhaust pipe, looks nice.
It won't even engage. It's frozen!
Oh shit. Starter gear's frozen.
Look, it's in freezes.
Oh boy.
There we go.
Alright, there we go, there we go. She's alive.
It's cold. It's cold.
You gotta let it run a little bit on choke. Oh, buddy! Oh, it's cold as shit, boys. Trans is locked in her. Haven't tested her out yet. I gotta put some air in the tires. And let's see how much gas we got. Oh shit, boys. We're low. We're low. Alright, let's go pump these tires up. My ass is gonna be cold.
Need ass protection? Hey.
Yeah. Hold on, let me go get my pillow. Where's this pillow at? Oh, this shit's wet. Holy shit, boys. Woo! Oh, shit. She don't steer too well. I'm just gonna walk the fucking thing. Oh fuck, it's cold. Alrighty, look at that bitch crawl. Look at that nice flat tire. Look at it. Look, you can tell. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. Pump the tires up. I should have a new video a little later with a romp. Alright, so talk to you boys later.